What up, Z Gamer is in the house today. What up, Z Gamer? What up, LeGrand? What up, Gotta Trade? Good morning, Nikki. George VDM is in the building. What up, George? What up, Chula? What's good? What's good? What's good, everyone? All the mod squad is in the house. What up, Louis G? OGH is in the house. What up, OGH? What's good, everyone? What up, Dropout Trader? Andrew, good morning, my bro. Dominic in the house. What up, Dominic? Yo, Ewan is in the building today. What up, Ewan? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to May. It is May. It is a new month. It is midweek. We got the Fed coming in here today. It's a big week, man. This is where the week turns up here. Oh, yeah. This is where the week turns up. AI News in the house. What up, AI News? What up, Dennis Hood? Yeah. All right, give me 1 sec. How you guys doing? How you guys feeling? It's a new month. You guys got a clean slate ahead of you. Brand new, fresh. We're gonna delete the record there for the month, and we're gonna start back at 0. Hold on 1 second. All right, Zoom link is out. So Zoom link is out. Let me share my screen and let's get the party started. What do you say, chat? How you guys feeling? You feeling like it's gonna be a big month or what? Day by day, my friends. Trade by trade, candle by candle. And that's how we're gonna take this month. Let me just fix up the overlay real quick. Clean slate. Fresh start. What's up, Kelvin? What up, Stephen B? What's good, everyone? Well, welcome in, everybody. As you guys settle in here today, give the stream a like for me. It's a new month. We got a new month ahead of us here. Great opportunities ahead of us. If you had a great April, awesome. If you had a not so great April, awesome as well. There should be a lot of lessons and should be a lot of learning experiences there. Hold on, the chat. Let me see. Hold on, chat. Let me fix the chat. We good? Yeah, we're good. Yeah. So, yeah, either way, it's gone, right? Either way, April of 2024 is never coming back. It's gonna produce something in the long run for you, but we're out of there, you know? So, you know, if you had a great one, awesome. If you didn't, awesome as well. I think a lot of you guys just need to understand that it's time. It's time. Right? The time is now. Your breakthrough is now, right? And there is no better time than right now. So you have to step into that mentality this month. You know, if you've been struggling for a bit, you have to understand that was seed time, right? And now it's harvest time, right? It's time to reap the rewards. It's time for the harvest to show up. If you've been putting in the work, if you've been pounding the ground, if you've been taking care of the seed, then the harvest is yours. Right? The harvest is yours. If you've been not taking care of the seed, I hope this is a message for you today to really get on top of it. You know, if you haven't stuck to a playbook or stuck to a strategy, or, you know, you keep doing things that are harming your own seed, your own harvest. So it's time to quit that and begin to take care of it, man. Begin to follow the rules of the game. The game will reward you. You just got to follow the rules. Right, so big W for both scenarios. It's gonna be a breakthrough month. It's harvest time, ladies and gentlemen. Harvest time. So let me pray for you guys, and we're gonna get the day started. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a good word today. We thank you that the harvest is upon us, Lord. We know that the harvest is plentiful, but for some reason the workers are few. Father, I pray for these workers, right? I pray that more workers would show up to work the land, Lord. We know that you're with us. And then we can do more in you than we can do on our own. And we thank you for residing with us. We thank you for your presence here on the live stream. I thank you for boldness, Lord, that we're able to share and impact lives all across the world here. Father, I give you the glory for allowing me to be up here and speak life into individuals. And my prayer is that they would leave better than they showed up. We thank you, Lord. We thank you for it. We ask for your blessing upon this month, and we give you the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen. Harvest time, ladies and gentlemen. Harvest time. All right, let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. I really do mean that. There's a calling upon this community, and if not you, then who? Right? I posted on my story today, generational wealth starts with one risk taker. And a lot of you guys are that risk taker. So it's time to take care of your seed so that way you can reap a harvest, maybe not today, but at some point down the road. So let's go ahead and get into it here. I think we're good. Let me grab my tools and let's begin. Let me lower the music real quick. And let's start it up. What up, Chala? What's up, Energy? What's good, everybody? Yeah, let's go ahead and start the game here today. So today is Wednesday, which is May 1st. Brand new month. We welcome a brand new month. We rejoice in the beginning of it, and I'm excited about it. So we do have a big day here today. We have PMI coming in. We have ADP coming in at 8:15. PMI coming in at 9:45, 10 a.m. Then you got JOLTS job openings. It's going to be a crazy day. Later on, you have FOMC. Normally, we would stream FOMC, but today I do have some plans and things I need to take care of in the afternoon, but yeah, that's something to look out for later. But we will be here for ADP and we will be here for PMI today, and we'll see. We'll see what happens where the Fed wants to push price and what they want to talk about here today, but that's not going to be till later. So this is what we've got ahead of us here, right? A lot of USD news during our session, and we have to be aware and understand when these red folders are dropping, because man, you could be on the wrong side of the coin here and it's not going to be a good day. Yeah, not going to be a good day. So we'll keep in mind when news is coming out, and we'll seek some opportunities around it, right? And today is the first day of the month, so the month is just getting started. And yeah, we'll see where we go. So let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly. Let's do a top-down analysis. If you guys can, give the stream a like before we start here today, and we're going to do a quick breakdown. What's good, Lawrence? What up, Pip Hunter? Purpose, I see you, man. I see you. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at gold here, and let's do a top-down analysis. It's a new month. Let's start here on the monthly time frame and really just chop it up and talk about this for a few minutes here. So as you guys can see, right, this is the monthly time frame here on gold, and we were just kind of trickling around over here for the last couple years, right? Just kind of consolidating. We had like these levels of resistances here, right? We also had like these levels of support, I would say, mainly like down in these ranges here, where you had a lot of support, and that was basically where price was trading for quite some time, right, within this range here. And you had all these attempts to break up, as you can see. One attempt here, another attempt there, some more attempts here, and we were never really able to do that, right? So every single time we would kind of come back down into like this general support area right here, and just touch base with that zone there. So as you can see here, we finally had a candle not wick up but close above, right? So that is where the rally began, and that's where we really started to rip up. This was in December of last year, last month of the year here, where we actually closed above bearish, creating support, had a weak doji, and then blast off, right? It was absolute insane. We broke through all these highs right here, creating this wick here. After that, you got this support, right? And then price came up, fill that wick, and close with no top wick, right? So candle closed with no top wick. That was in I think that was in March, right? Yeah, March. So yeah, no top wick on this candle, and then as you can see on this new candle, or last month's candle, April, you've got no bottom wick. So there's a little bit of sketch, right? A little bit of sus going on in this area right here. Not too sure what gold's up to here, but we know that no bottom wick, we know that no top wick equals no range, right, for price to actually sustain. And we know that no bottom wick right here may mean that we want to come down to create that bottom wick before moving up to fill and push up towards the current high, right? So that's what we got going on in the monthly. We are very bullish. I would expect some sort of a push down though, right? I'm expecting a bottom wick for sure before we move up, and that could take a couple days, it could take a couple weeks. Remember, we are looking at a monthly candle here, so that could take some time. So that's what I got here on the monthly time frame. If we scoot over to the weekly here, taking a look at the weekly, we see that we did get a resistance, right? So this makes a lot of sense now, right? The monthly kind of comes down, gives us this bearish candle on the weekly time frame, and now you're kind of moving down, right? So you're trying to create a bottom wick for the new monthly candle here, right? So if we can come down, you would expect price come back down towards like even like 2000, right? To create that bottom wick on the monthly time frame. We'll see how the Fed comes out today, what they've got to say, but that may push gold down as well a little bit if they're trying to ease the American folks and talk good about the dollar, right? So we did break the lows there on the weekly, and we're seeing if we can come down now. So we filled the wick, and now it's a decision making time. Are we going to continue pushing, or are we going to fill the wick and begin to reject? So let's see what the daily says about all that. Daily, daily closed with no bottom wick here. Yeah, no bottom wick on the daily. We understand that means that there's no range for price to drive. We also know that we've filled the wick already on the weekly time frame, and we could potentially say that target's been tapped, right? The wick has been filled, the job has been completed, and the clue there is that this candle closes with no bottom wick, right? Kind of a little clue as to maybe we won't drive down. Now look, it's still a 50-50 at this point, so we could still drive down if we go ahead and break that low, or create some sort of resistances up top here. So we got to see what we got going on now on the 4 hour. Daily is bearish, but there's a lot of reasons here for us to move bullish as well. One of them being the daily with no bottom, one of them being the weekly, right, that filled the wick already. The other being the daily close with no bottom wick. And then the other is now that the 4 hours bullish, right? So now we can kind of understand, all right, well, daily's bearish, 4 hours bullish, anything goes here today, right? Anything goes here from 7 to 9. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour, see what's going on here. So 1 hour did close above. You have all this wick area here. You closed above 9 minutes ago. Yeah, 9 minutes ago here. You've got range coming up now towards 2296. So how much range though? 20 pips. So you got 20 pips. So some of you guys may have been in a buy from down here maybe. Yeah, that makes sense. After the 4 hour close bullish, you would have been bullish. Yeah, some of you guys may be in these buys. London boys printing, I'm sure, but now we're in the range here, right? So now we're kind of in this range. You've got a lot of choppiness here on the 30-minute time frame. This doesn't look that great either. On the 1 hour, it looks a lot better, but these wicks are a bunch of consolidation on the 30-minute time frame here. So there is room to move up, but there's a lot of resistance. Yeah, based off the 30-minute time frame, it gets a bit sketchy up here. If you get a closure on the 1 hour though, I think price is good to move up come NY open here. So whether we remain here, I think buys are good above here and above 2296. And then if you do close back below 2291, then that could potentially be a fake out, right? So potential fake out. And then I think below there you've got a 52 pip range, more like a 70, yeah, more like a 70-75 pip range. And then above there you've got clean candles moving up like over 100 pips. So that's going to be the day for me on gold here. So going to be looking for buys above 2296, sells below 2291, 570 I think it is. And yeah, no range 2 here today, being that we have the 4 hour bullish and we have the daily bearish, right? So no range 2 here. Anything can kind of happen. You can potentially get a celery play, a couple options here, right? Potentially get a, wow, can't see with these glasses here. Celery play for price to move up, boom, something like this. Or you get a closure above, right, and price moves up. Or you get some sort of a fake out here. So you get a bearish candle closure back below the range, and then therefore you should see price come down to fill those wicks, tap into support. So that's pretty much what I'm looking for here today. If you don't like this this guy right here, 2296, then keep it above towards like 2299. Yeah, if you don't want to, you know, take part in this area right here, it's okay. Just move your resistance up a little bit, and yeah, good to go. We don't have the too much price action to go off of, but yeah, everything will smoothen out here in a few minutes to an hour or so. So yeah, that is going to be the day here for me. So really just kind of going to be looking at this 1 hour chart for over the next 40 minutes or so, and seeing if we can get closures. The 30-minute chart's a little choppy, the 15 as well. So that's going to be it. That's the day. That's the day, G's. That's it. Trading made simple. Let's do this. Clone it. Simple. So you got 75 pips to the downside, you got 100 and something pips to the upside, and that's pretty much it. Gonna look to stay out of this range for sells for sure. Possibly take some positions, take some buy positions in this range, but other than that, this is gonna be a no trade range here for me. And then anything above 96 is good money. Anything below 90 is good as well. And that's all, folks. That's all she wrote. Who's in buy positions from down here? Anybody? Do I have a written plan? Yes, but I don't need to look at it anymore. So I've looked at it so much over and over and over, and paid or played so tight to the plan that now I don't need to look at it. But at one point I did. At one point I did. What's up, Jorah? Let it go. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. All right, yeah, that's the day, man. So that's it. That's Goldie here today. So daily is bearish, right? We know that we closed with no bottom wick, but again, this is only a 50-50, right? This isn't a guaranteed not going to move down, right? We know that the candle, when the candle closes with no bottom wick, it just turns to a 50-50, right? That's it. So price can still do the move down. We know that when it has a bottom wick, right, that 50-50 kind of gives us more of like a 80-20. So that's what you're working with here, is that 50-50 on this move, which isn't bad if you can get other confirmations, right, on the lower time frames, right? So that's all we're looking at here today. We're not going to complicate this too much. It's the first day of the month. Don't be too eager and excited and, you know, anxious to jump in and jump out of positions here. It's another day, man. Another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined and patient and stick to what we know works. So that's it. You know, doesn't matter if it's the first day of the month, last day of the month, middle day of the month. Don't matter. Who's popped off on May already? Guys, give me some advice. I hate my life because of the FX market. Then just get out of it. It's simple, man. So this isn't for everyone. Trust me. This is not for everyone. This game is not to be played by everyone. And if it's really hurting and you're not feeling it, then just walk away, man. There's no shame in walking away, because you can find something better that you're called to do, something that you're going to have much more peace in, much more understanding in, and most likely a lot more success in, right? So don't let an ego thing or something like that keep you in this game and hold you back from the life you could have lived, right? Trading's not for everybody. Actually, it's for the few. It's for the few. Yeah, man. You mess around, you go crazy out here. Just a week ago, he was doing just fine. Now he's tied up in a psychotic home. He lost his mind. Woke up for London, Stephen B. Okay. Lasted 30. Oh, damn. That's why I'm trying to walk away. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, and then the 9 to 5 ain't for everyone either. Certainly wasn't for me. You're too deep in, no other option. There are always other options. Always. Because if it's ruining your life, I mean, is it worth it? I don't think so. What up, C. Melly? Happy Wednesday, man. Good to see you yesterday. C. Melly, brand new elite. Guys, we got one more spot to fill for the elite program. If that's not filled by the week's end, we're going to cap it right there and move on. I'm lost in the trading sauce. Lost in the sauce. Yeah, it's not as easy as it's portrayed, eh? Not as easy as it's portrayed to be. You're going to learn today. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It'll force you to grow. That's for sure. And that's a good thing. You know what I mean? You don't want to be stuck and mundane and just doing things because everyone else does them. It's like this herd mentality where people just do things because other people do them. Everyone's doing it. You ever hear people say that? Everyone's doing that, you know? It's like, what? Yeah, man. If we think about this, if you were born, let's say there was an era, a 400 period or a year period of time of slavery, right? So 400 years of slavery. You know, the guys and girls that were born 200 years into that, they had no idea that there was anything else, right? They were just born into it, right? They don't even know that they're slaves. And that's how it works with us sometimes, is we're born into these families, right? And a lot of times they are, you know, and this isn't a bad thing, but they're mediocre, right? They're average. They're doing things because everyone else is doing them. They are doing things because of, you know, that's just the way things are done, right? They never think, right? What did Earl Nightingale say? Most men just never think, right? Most men and women, right? Just never think. So you got to think, man. You got to think, right? What is it that you want? What are you willing to go through to get it? And you got to set the plan, right? You got to plan it. And follow that plan day in and day out. Create systems for yourself. Make things easy, right? Make it hard not to win. Can you do that? Can you put the odds in your favor, right? There's no surprise that I became quote unquote successful, right? I stacked the odds in my favor, right? I was preparing for years, right? Stacking the odds in my favor, right? Creating the systems that would align with my goals, that would align with my dreams, right? Changing my thoughts, changing my reality. There was a point in time where I was not the way I am today, right? So it's all about that growth. It's all about that change. But the harvest is waiting for you, man. It really is, right? Be the best you that you can be. I remember Ed Milet said, you know, one of the things that motivated him was by the time he got to the point where he was moving on and about to spend his time with the Lord and meet with his maker, and the Lord says, hey, look, this is who I called you to be. And he said, I didn't want to not be able to recognize that guy. I wanted to be his twin, right? So, you know, maybe that can help some of you guys today, right? who are you, right? Are you really doing the things? Are you really making strides in life to be the person who you feel you've been created to be, or are you settling for less than your best? So think about it, apply it. I'm not here to tell you what to think. I'm just here to get you to think. That's all. That's all. What's up, Swifty? What's good? Grind Time Mufasa in the house. Hey, yo, Grind Time. Did you go to Bailey's? Did you get to Bailey's or what? Most of y'all not hearing me though. Some of you guys are. Some of you are. Most are not. You didn't expect this on your lovely Wednesday morning when you're logging into YouTube trying to find some trades to take, eh? Tomorrow. Oh, let's go. W. W. Let's do this. Hey, I sent Zoom out, right? Yeah. What's up, Energy? Can I check Discord charts for stream? Yes. Yeah, yeah. What up, Pablo? Charts for stream. Can we have another stream later for FOMC? Man, I promise y'all. Hold on one sec. I promise you guys, I normally do, but look at this. This my calendar today, man. My calendar is stacked today, so I got a lot of things to get done here today after the live stream. So unfortunately, I think this is the first one we didn't do, or maybe I think we've done all but maybe one or two. Yeah. Yeah. Otherwise, I'd be here. Oh yeah, charts for stream, right? Yeah, I got a busy schedule today, chat. Show that again? Show what again? My calendar? Y'all want to see my calendar? Chala, chala. An idle mind is the devil's workshop. Stay busy, friends. Stay productive. Stay productive. Keep your mind after what's true and what you're called to do. Charts for stream. What do I recommend at Bailey's? Well, I'm glad you asked, sir. I actually brought up Bailey's yesterday on the chat. Bailey's Smokehouse in Blauvelt, New York. Let's take a look. I would highly recommend this right here. It's called, I think it's called the sample, the sampler, I think. You get like 4 or 5 meats, 2, 3 sides. It's insane, bro. Their spare ribs are on another level. Another level, man. You would be like, holy. And to be honest, those chicken wings look insane. I never had their chicken wings, though. They look phenomenal. Phenomenal. Hey, grind time. You gotta at least try the spare ribs. These things really got me wanting chicken wings. Yeah, try these for me, bro. Let me know how these are. I'm gonna have to hit these up as my appetizer next time. Yeah. Yeah, try them out. Definitely gotta hit the spare ribs up though, bro. Yo. Yeah, and post it in the food channel for sure. All right, let's take a look at charts for stream here. Oh, speaking of grind time, Mufasa, let's take a look. So buys above, sells below here. Looks like you took a buy down here. Wait. Oh, you took a buy and a sell. 2 buys and a sell. Hey, yo. GJ. Damn, my man was up early. 2:30 in the morning. Sheesh. It is grind time. It is grind time. But yeah, I'm trying to see. I think it looks like you took a buy at the break of the high there. Yeah, sells somewhere over here. Yeah, W. It looks like good trades up. All right, let's take a look here. Oh, what's this? Nick took this trade once in New York session. Oh yeah, this was last week, right? I didn't understand that entry. I studied it and back tested it and studied that entry. And today the same setup showed up again. Wow, still paper traded it. Gonna move forward on testing it. Beautiful job, man. Wow. You see, this is the extra work we're talking about, right? Studying it, seeing something new. Why did he do it? What was the reason? Studied it, studied the entry, because all this is in a way, it's a celery play, right? That's all it is. You should be good to retest the high, which is where he had his resistance at, and then yeah, coming up to this high here. So yeah, great trade. What time was this? Did this happen in London, right? London sesh. Can't see the time on this one. Yeah, nice trade, man. W. Gold buys. Okay, let's take a look here. This was 30-minute entry. Took a sell, came down. Okay, tap target. This is the same trade. Oh no, this is a buy. So 4-hour reverse, broke the previous 4-hour highs. 1 hour close strong bullish. 30, 15 also back above the range. Entered on the 15-minute. Break of the lows. Yeah. So you entered on this candle, eh? The middle one? Yeah? Or was it this one? I think it was on this one, right? Yeah, I think this was a good trade, bro. Just no follow through. 4-hour reversed and broke its previous high. Yeah, I think there was just no follow through here. So W trade, I think this is just probability. Yep. Yeah, not bad. Yanosh with the Asian session sells. Okay, let's take a look. Hold on, let's see. We're closing on the 30-minute here. We close at no top wick. Okay, so no top wick on this closure here. Makes sense. You're beginning to run into some heavy traffic now, right? So you've got like all this coming up. You've kind of trying to battle through all this right now. So no top wick on this candle. You may see some sort of a move back in the range until 8:15 when ADP comes out. Yeah. Let's take a look at this one here. All right. Although not a typical TD scenario. Going for an onion. All right. Trade. 30-minute candle broke the lows. Okay. Took like a... So you got like a... You sold it at the wick, right? I used to do this, by the way, a lot. Just pick a spot somewhere on the top wick and take a sell. I'm assuming that's what you did. It was, yeah, basically you did have an onion after that, so I don't see any big deal with that. You also had, not only did you have this onion, but you also had this closure below here, right? So not bad. Took a sell here. A little bit of an early entry obviously for me, but you know that. And then yeah, nice job. Nice trade. Way to get the most out of that trade. And do something, you know, that you do, right? We don't. Anytime we teach here, we don't mean to be like, hey, this is the only way to do it. This is how it's done, right? If you find better, or not even better, because there is no better or worse. It's just if you find things that you catch on to a little bit more, or you're more comfortable with, then by all means, we encourage you guys to take your trades, right? We don't want you to just take the trades that we take, but we encourage you guys to take the trades, take the entries that you feel suit you best. So W job, great job, Yanosh. Good work, man. Good work. Good work. And here we have Energy. Wow, Energy. You think you're the last one here. Let's see. Got a closure below resistance. All right. Stop loss, previous candle high. Executed the sell on the break of the current candle lows. All right. Beautiful. Textbook. Candle hit full TP. Awesome. Yeah, textbook position right here. Closure below. Clean traffic to the left. Broke I guess previous. Yeah. Oh no. Current candle lows. Filled the wick. Retap support. W. Lovely job, everyone. Great job. Even the loss here wasn't like a stupid loss. This was just a good trade with no follow through. And sometimes that's just going to happen. Sometimes we can constructively criticize the loss here, but I don't think there's really anything I would have done differently. You got your closure above. You got clean traffic to the left. You know, this is obviously going to be a condition that I would look at nowadays, like just the conditions to the left. Other than that, it's pretty clean. And then you see how you kind of like did kind of come up to this area, and then that's where we rejected. So I think this candle did the job, right? And then yeah, there was no buy after that. So it's not our fault or your fault as a trader. It's just no follow through, you know, no follow through, and that's not a big deal at all. Those are the losses that you want to take, right? But when you go break your plan and do something stupid, and that's when you take a loss, it's just that's a bad loss. This right here, good loss, good loss. W. If anyone else has trades that they want us to take a look at, I think we got all those. Yeah, those are, yeah, everything was yesterday here. So yeah, if you guys have trades you want us to take a look at, you can post it in the charts for stream channel on Discord. This is our free Discord, by the way. So you guys are more than welcome to join the community here and come in here and trade with the Asian boys and the London boys and have a good time. W trades, guys. Really, really good job. Yanosh, what how were you trading before you got to the stream? Did you have a different trading style? Were you a new trader? I can't remember. Asian boy, Steven Tran. That's good, Steven Tran. You sound like a top G. Yanosh the Jaguar. Check charts for stream. Hey, yo. Lamb chops, eh? That looks fire. Damn, your girl likes it too. She's like, yep. That's where it's at. W. Who is that? Lorenzo. Lorenzo in motion. Let's get it. Nice chain, man. Like that. I was only doing impulse and wick entries. Now I'm doing both. Nice. W. Yo, I'm down. Where is this? London? Where do you live, Lorenzo? Forget what you said. I think you said London, right? Man ate the whole cow. Should have told him, bring out the whole cow. Tell him bring out the whole.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
That's Lorenzo screaming in the restaurant. Hey, yo, bring out the whole ocean. London, man. Yeah, we're coming to London soon. I want to do something out in London. My buddy Austin did a London meetup / like seminar a few months back. He said it was a great time. I wanna do it too. Yeah, we'll put it in motion. You bought at 20, what is it? 2283? 2283. Wick entry. Nice. What should you do now? What was your plan? What was where's your take profit? So you got in here 2283. But where's your target? We got a lot of people from London here. Would you guys be down for a meetup if we did that? Is London really big, or are you guys mainly around the same area? Turn off auto ISO on your camera. Oh, okay. I'll do it. Why? How come? Does it make it look better? Yeah, you boys are printing if you were in especially if you were in from down here. Printing. Target's 2304. 2304. Okay. Yeah, so just hang tight. Just hang tight then. Should be good. $23.04. Yeah. It's fairly big but easy to get around. Alright, bet. Yeah, I'm gonna look into it. What should be the capital for a beginner? Something really small. Something like that you can kind of just throw in and work with. As a beginner, your first account isn't your money-making account. As a beginner, your first account is really your trial and error account and your data collection account. Because you have to, in order to be a good trader and successful trader long term, like anybody could have a good day or a good week or a good month, but can you do it consistently? In order to do that, you have to collect data, right? So in order to collect data, it takes time, right? So you have to be willing to, go through that season of your process as a trader and begin to collect that data so you can study it, build your playbook out of it, get your probability numbers aligned with the actual data that you're collecting, and then it's always best to do that on a small account. Oh yeah, the exposure keeps changing from dark to light. Yeah, I see that. All right, cool. I'll what was it again? ISO, right? I'll change it after the stream. Oh yeah, I see it there. Dark now. It's like a disco today. Coming the summer, June, July, August. All right, bet. Yeah, I'm not coming in the winter. I'll tell you that. I'm staying right here in Tampa, Florida for the winter time. Yeah. Yeah, I think most traders don't understand that, and most beginner traders really don't get that concept, and most experienced traders won't tell you that concept, right? You everything takes time, man. You know, there's a growing process, right? Just like planting a seed. If you were gonna plant a seed, you wouldn't expect, and that was an apple seed, you wouldn't expect to eat apples, right, that day or that week, right? It takes a bit of time. You've got to learn, you've got to grow, you've got to develop. You know, you're gonna have your bumps in the road, you're gonna have your ups and downs, and that's just the reality of it. Yeah, I think I know what to do. All right, we should be good. Yeah, man, that's the reality of it. I'm sorry to break the news to you. I know you don't want to hear that as a new trader, because you're getting in this to make money now, but it's better that I tell you now. It's better than I tell you now than you have to lose thousands of dollars before realizing this for yourself. Sorry, guys. Sorry, not sorry. Trying to set you up. I don't want to set you up for failure. I want to set you up for success. And the way you got to do that is just being honest and truthful that you ain't going to make money on that $100 account. Like, not any life-changing money. You know, you're going to need to learn the game. You're going to need to learn. W. Lorenzo. Yeah, I'm down. I'm down. We got to plan it out. We got the summer coming up, so there might be an opportunity. What up, Martin? Remember, the harvest is plentiful, man. The harvest is yours. But you can't get the harvest if you treat the seed like it means nothing. You feel me? You've got a seed, right? And you've got to treat it well. It just, going back to planting, you know, if you don't take care of it and you don't do the proper actions and take the necessary actions or whatever to get that seed to grow, it's not going to grow. It's going to wither out and die. And that goes for you and your dream and your trading and anything else you put your hand to. There's a sowing and reaping process to everything. Yeah, if you can get that now, you'll be well equipped for the game. If not, you might get hit with a surprise punch and not know what to do. Yeah, you've already come so far. You've already come so far, so no reason to go back now. Just make sure you're taking care of what you got. All right, yeah, 30 close and no top wick, so nothing here. What you guys do in London session? Anything? Yeah, let's take a look at NASDAQ here real quick as well. We had a monthly closure here, and we finally got a bearish monthly closure. That's a great sign. We broke the lows. We kind of came down, made this bottom wick on this candle, which is good. So yeah, we're coming down here. This is good. We really needed this this bearish closure here on the monthly, so that's good signs. Weekly did close bullish last week, so we're kind of coming down now to create a bottom wick. We may create a low on the monthly and then come back up for this top wick and shoot bullish again back up towards these highs. Daily close bearish with no bottom wick, so that's kind of very similar to gold today. So we are bearish based off of the closure, but let's keep in mind that we're right at support and we close with like almost no bottom wick there. All right, no bottom wick at all. This candle broke the lows right away. That's always sketchy to me. And we may come back up. And if we do come back up and probably break this high here, then you're most likely going to see a push up here. So let's go ahead and take a look at that high. So that's the 4-hour resistance, right? 4-hour resistance here. As you can see, this candle has no top wick, right? So push down, but not able to follow through as of right now. It's trying to get down to that support level, but there's no top wick on this candle, right? So a lot of times you won't sustain the push down. So now we may be coming up, and if you do get above here, you not only break the daily high, but you've got very, very clean candles and clean traffic moving up towards the left hand side. Let's go take a look at the 1 hour real quick. So 1 hour has resistance, we have support. This is your range. You just pushed up, rejected the range. We closed with no top wick there, very similar to gold as well. You got resistance. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see what we got here. There's another area here, but that doesn't really play much of a role here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this support right here, and let's see. So that's a little bit too far. So there's really nothing much in between these areas that we can play price off of right now. So I think you did get a resistance here. Let's take a look at the 15. You got a 15-minute support, so maybe we can use that to our advantage. If we are bearish on the 4 hour and we're going to continue to drive down, then you should be good with a closure below there. If not, then probably got to just wait here. Yeah, not the greatest price action on the 1 hour. We're chopping around trying to figure out what we want to do. It's probably tough because there's no top wick here, and then there's no bottom wick. Or there is a bottom wick on the daily, but we've kind of ran into target here. So the 4 hour is struggling right now. So we have to see how this 4 hour is going to do. We're back in the range here. So yeah, not much happening yet. There will be a lot happening here come 8:15 though. But yeah, as of right now, I think this is decent. If you want to play it off the 15-minute, it's a little tight, but this is what you got. You know, you got a wick fill up here, resistance, and then you got clean candles moving down. Yeah, it's a little bit of a tight range. Anything can happen here. Would love to see a little range on the 30-minute, but that's all we got. That's all we got right now. One hours are struggling, beginning to struggle as we move into this choppy range here, so just got to be patient. We got big news coming out here in just a little bit, ADP, so we'll see how we do with that. Who's trading news today? You got a lot of news coming in today. Lots of news. Joe Stu check. Where's Joey Stu? Where is he? BTC hits fit. Yo, BTC is about to come downtown. Y'all ready? You guys sitting on cash? Oh yeah, look at this. Perfect. So we did go ahead and break those monthly lows here. Actually, we did it yesterday. So yeah, you should see a push down. I'm getting ready to deploy more dollars in here. Yep. So I would expect Bitcoin to push down in this range, get a nice push this month. And I'm no expert on BTC, but I would expect a support somewhere around here. And time to dump some more bags. Time to get rich, friends. Bull season. Yo, Lights Fire, how you doing, man? Good to see you, bro. Good to see ya. We're gonna be rich. But hey, I've been giving y'all the scoop on BTC long-term investment for a little while now, so hopefully you guys understand it. Hopefully you stacked your bread. So that way, you know, when the time comes, you've got some dollars to go to work. Hopefully you're not buying those stupid watches, or not watches, clothes and all that stuff, sneakers. Buy Bitcoin, man. Let your Bitcoin buy your sneakers. How was my day yesterday? It was fantastic, man. Fantastic. Had a great day. Had tacos last night, Taco Tuesday. So made some tacos, had a good time. Yeah, man. See Melly. Yup. More than the life savings, man. You got to get everyone's life savings together. Tell them we're going to be rich. I got you. Trust me. Time to eat some news. Oh, Louis G, you traded news today? If I see something obvious, I'll go in with you guys. I'll put a little small like position in. Hey yo, everyone had tacos last night. Let's go. W. Around here we have tacos on Tuesday. CFDB, doing great, my man. Good to see you here. Yo, all y'all eating tacos, eh? Holy. Where's Green at? Hey, did Joe pop up? Joe Stuchek. What time is it? 8 minutes till NY Open. Joe Stu, where are you? Nah, I'm a little jealous though with grind time going to Bailey's, not gonna lie. You had me looking up plane flights, dude. What I would do right now for some Bailey's. Hey, yo. That's crazy. Yeah, so I think there was 2 opportunities there in the London session, right? I think right here was probably the best one, which was the buy right here. And then it looks like there was another celery play that was decent here as well. How many of you guys would you guys take option 1 or option 2? Or both? I know some of you guys did it. Yeah, I was actually up at this time, but I wasn't at the chart. Option 3. Man, it was snoozing. I was actually awake, but I wasn't at the chart. I woke up right around this candle. Right around 4:30. Hey, yo, let me borrow 10K. I'll pay you back. Yeah. I be getting you guys, some of you guys be in my DMs. Yo, bro. Brother in Christ. You know, just hold it down, man. I got you on my first payout, bro. Oh, man. I don't think I would ever message somebody saying that. I don't think I have it in me to do that. I saw the celery at 6, but yeah, there was a little bit of a resistance there, yeah. They always hit me with the brother in Christ. Keep doing God's work, man. Doing a great job. Would you look at it? Hey, what up, Bull Bull? What's up, Gold Busters? Update the record. I think the record's good. I don't think we need to update, do we? I'm not sure. Am I bullish or bearish on the day? I'm both. I'm both. I believe that if you get a closure above 2296 and re-break the 4-hour highs and re-break the daily high with a closure, I think you can push up. The daily candle closed at very little to no bottom wick. We know that that means that there's really a 50-50 chance now for price to drive down. So if we continue breaking the daily high here and then you get closures above on the 1-hour time frame as NY Open comes in, then I think price going to move up towards like 2308. If you close below 2290 though, which is going to be like this where is it? This support right here, then I think there's a good shot at driving down just like this candle did. So I'm open for both buys and sells today, but we'll just have to see. Just gotta wait and see. 4-hour never pushed past that high, so that's interesting. But we have high level news coming in here in about 16 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, let's go ahead and look left. So daily's got room to drive, right? So we did get the closure right below the range here on the daily time frame. Now it did close with no bottom wick, which is like, you know, shucks or whatever, but you did close below, therefore you do have, I mean, you got lots of range, right? At least down into this wick zone here, which is like 2260, and then there's really nothing else, you know, holding price back at that point, right? So you potentially come down and fill that wick if you break that low here today. There's a good chance we push down, right? But also we could do a fake out today, right? Because remember, the daily candle closed with no bottom wick. If this was a 30-minute time frame, we wouldn't be taking this trade, right? We would be letting price do what it needs to do and create a range 2 or something. So the daily's no different. Now the only thing that the daily has that we could use to our advantage is lower time frames. So even though the daily closed with no bottom wick, if the lower time frames show us and indicate that price should move down based off of what those time frames are doing and how candles are closing, then we can go ahead and give it a rip, right? But you know, if this is a 30-minute time frame, I wouldn't be touching this, right? I would actually probably be expecting this candle to close bullish like this and get a fake out there. So just got to be patient here today. All right, so 1-hour candles did close. You had a closure below resistance, but then the 30-minute close really nasty, right? So you got no. If you look at candles here, right, you've got really nice support formed, strong candle, right? Weak bearish candle, celery play, clean move up, no candle close with no top wick. Now you got rejection here. So not the best time to take a buy or a sell. We just need better direction, you know, better confirmation here. Nothing. What's up, Anilo? Where's that warm baked bread you got, brother? Nothing. You bring us some warm bread today? Yo, Green, where? Green. Full margin on buys. Oof. On news? We'll see. No, no way. Absolutely. What am I saying? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not, Nick Stewart. Should I risk my whole account? Holy. I got about 13K to play with on this account. Should we run it? How many people are here right now? 688. So sheesh. I mean, if all of you guys gave me like 20 bucks if I lose, that'd be great. If you guys are all committed to giving me 20 bucks after this trade, I'll do it. That'll equal about my account size. Yeah, we got a lot of news coming up here. Lots of news. Or actually, Green's rich. He'll probably, maybe he could just pay me back. And you guys could send him 20 as you guys gather it. Holy. Green's one of my rich friends. Gemini. Yeah, chat. If you can get Green to commit, I'll commit. We'll go full margin here. 815. TK? Yeah, TK's rich too. Yep. I'm just trying to get like them, man. TK, a billionaire. Hey, by the way, chat, thank you so much for all the reviews on Trustpilot. I'll post the reviews on my IG story, like on a daily, like day by day, post like 1, 2, or 3 of them. But I really do appreciate that, man. We're a strong team, and like that means the world to me. You guys giving us a good rating and helping us out with reviews and all that good stuff. So appreciate you guys. Appreciate your heartfelt comments, man. Seriously. Put them 8 figures in the chat. Who put the 2 stars though? Yo, if you put the 2 stars, hit me up, man. I know that it was probably by accident. I don't know. It was a good comment. It was a good comment, so I couldn't see 2 stars. I was a little salty about that, man. I'm like, no! 5 star. How you get like 75 star reviews and then 1 like 2 star and then like it goes to 4.8? Like that ratio doesn't sound accurate to me. I really do think it was an honest mistake. Yeah. I'll have my team reach out so you can fix that. I'm just kidding. Green's gonna find you. Green, you on it? Green's on top of it. What's up, Sandman? Good morning, bro. Deploy Green. Did one of you guys say Raja's casino's open? Let me take a look. Oh yeah, let's take a look. Holy, the goat. Holy moly. 7 minutes left. What's he gonna do?
As this candle respects its own low, I think there's a very good probability for price to still push it up. I mean, even if you look at it from a technical perspective, looking at it from a 4-hour perspective, we are rejecting that as support. They are looking at, you know, bad numbers on ADP. 1-hour candle, I know, just formed. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th 1-hour candle moving up. The 30-minute, 15-minute. So
the goat.
Yeah.
Anillo, don't be sharing that warm bread over here, man.
Doesn't 30-minute make
time
resistance?
to eat bread only?
Yeah, it does. But then we're getting that confirmation, you know, on the 15-minute, breaking the high, breaking the high, wick to fill, volume in the market. So let's take a look at pound yen. Ooh, pound yen is right here.
Pound yen, pound yen. Anillo, busted.
So today I am down $43. So for this week, I'm up $161.
Oh, big boy. Big boy stuff. Yeah, this is nasty, man. Nasty, nasty here. News in 7 minutes, sir? Yes. News coming in 7 minutes. We'll see where we go. Where's Johnny Stew? Johnny Stew and Joey Stew check. Yo, yesterday I didn't look at my phone once till about noon. It was one of the greatest days of my life. Damn, we're not stopping to push up here, man. But this, we know that this is where we could react, right? Is right in this zone right here. So we got to be careful here. Buys were good here, buys were decent here, but now that we're right here, you got to be careful. Phone detox, yeah, it was good. TK check too, man. It's still early for TK. It's only 5 a.m. for him. Yeah, I was shocked that he was even here like during like the beginning breakdowns and stuff back in the day. I'm like, damn, dude, what do you wake up at like 2:30 in the morning? He's like, yeah. Monthly's looking sus. Yeah, that's what I was literally saying during the breakdown this morning, is that like this monthly is looking a little sketchy. Right? This guy has no top wick. This guy's got no bottom wick. Anything can go down in here. Anything. All right, we're gonna keep an eye on the 15-minute time frame here as we wait on news. We are beginning to pump. Is this going to be a pump and dump, or is this going to be a pump to pump? To pump, pump. Yeah. What up, Alexandros? My boy. What's good, my bro? How you feeling? How you feeling today? Oh, Nightbot, thanks for getting a bleeder. Let's go, OGH. Let's go. Isn't that such a good feeling? Stops locked at break even, holding. Just holding. Worst case, you get B. All right, 2 minutes. Good morning, Jessica Lake. What's good? What's good? PM Magnifico. Did I say hello to you yet? What up, PM Magnifico? What's good, Silver Fox? I don't think I said hello to any of you guys yet. All right, we're pumping here. All right, here we go. 15 seconds. Or no, I'm sorry, 30 seconds. Will we pump or dump? Louis G, what we doing? What we doing, coach? Buys or sells? All right, here it comes. 3, 2, 1. Let's see, let's see. Will we blast through all of this, or are we going to come back down here? Hold the line. Hold. Oh, did Raja do anything? Let me see.
Paying bills every month, paying for MFU every month. Wow, yeah, this is, yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, so I guess that move up was kind of like, you know, pricing it in or whatever. Yeah, but the thing is, to understand is how.
Oh, he already took a buy.
You know, what was the thought process to get this?
He took a buy before the
So what
news.
I'm going to do is later on in the day, I'm going to post.
Yeah, not much of a reaction here. Let's go ahead and take a look at how the news came out real quick. Green numbers. So green numbers for the dollar. Gold could head down here. Could head down. Let's go ahead and see what the 4 hour looks like again. So 4 hour came back up, broke that high. We got 43 minutes left on this 4 hour candle. You never got a closure above the range here. 30 minute broke the highs, but you're running into this area as well. 15 minute not really doing much. So there's really no trade here yet. Yeah. Nothing. Nothing yet. Green wants price to come down on gold. Yeah. We got some range now here, Green. We got some range. About time. Joey's still in the building. Good afternoon, sir. How you doing? Oh, we gotta talk louder than that, little Mo. How you doing? How you doing, Joe? Did you bring the cookies and milk? It's Christmas, baby. Green Georgia. We got Joe now. Where's John? John's on the way. Yeah, not much of a reaction here with news. Yeah, you got a bit of chop here as well. What do you think, Joe Stu? Not much of a reaction here. You've never won a account giveaway? That's all right. They're rare. They're rare. So you gotta be literally right place, right time. It's tough, man. It's tough to win those giveaways. Hopefully you win the next one. We got some more. Don't worry. We're going to keep them coming. Most of you guys should have your accounts. Some of you guys that won yesterday. You guys should have your accounts now. If not right now, then you should have it no later than today. Is Joey a trader as well? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Joe's in the game. Joe's been in the game. Joe, how long you been trading now? Joe actually began trading with me back in our first time ever trading any markets was back in 2017, I think. We started trading binary options in 2017. Actually, Joe did pretty well. I think we flipped like wasn't it like a $1,000 account into like 5,000-6,000, right, Joe? Oh, Lily. Greg. Man, binary options, dude. Holy. Trading on that. Those are 1 minute trades. 1 minute trades. It was either, let's say, this was the market, right? Right? And let's say that this was your entry. So what you would do is you would take an entry at the red line, say, and you had 1 minute, right? For the price to be, let's say if you took a buy, by the end of that minute, you had to be above this red line here. So you get in and tick, 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 right? Just be kind of like floating and floating around and all this stuff. And if you were above that line by the end of the 1 minute, you won the trade. If you were below, you lost. It was crazy. What was really crazy is it was like 5, 4. Me and Joe were like, we got this, bro. No sweat. 3, 2, 1. Damn, lost. Like, whoa. That's not fair. Yeah, binary options a wild town to be in. That was the worst, bro. You'd be like way up in profit and then bam, something just slams price down. Like that wasn't manipulated, was it? And then literally like 1 second later, price just drives up. Like if this was the line, it'd be like 3, 2, 1, boom, 3, and then all the way back here in like a second. It's like, nah, I'm done. I'm done with this. All right, 15 lows are still being respected here. 30-minute is just doing what it probably should be doing, right? You got no top wick here, rejecting resistance here, never closed above there. 1 hour also closed below, so you need a fresh closure here. Let's see, the 4 hours got 30 minutes left on it. You get a 30 closure here in 5 minutes. That's my experience with trading binary. Where Johnny Stew's here. John DiCaprio. What's up, John?
Yo, what up, Nick?
How you doing?
How you doing? What's good, brother?
Everything, man.
Everything, right?
Besides gold caught up here.
Yeah, I know. Gold wants to, so let it troll. We good.
How you doing
You know
today?
what we got to do. I'm doing great, bro. Grateful for another day. Blessed to be here. And I'm excited for a new day and a new month. Let's get it.
New month.
Sir.
New month. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, give the stream a like here today as Johnny Gems walks in the building. Appreciate the likes.
Yo, what's up, chat? What's going on? You guys ready for a new month? New month means new opportunity. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Later,
ready?
Mr. Kraft.
Who's ready for the opportunity in store for yourself? I'm ready. Work to be done. What's up, OGH? What's up, Energy? What's up, Scott? What's up, Sandman? How you guys doing? And it's just another month to do what we do, right? Let's just, as traders, let's just do what we do, which is trade our plan and be disciplined and patient to it. That's all we got to do. Remember that consistency compounds, and we win by showing up and execute on our edge. That's how we win.
That's how we win. Yeah, we got news all over the place today.
Yeah, bro, I know. Gotta try to go around it. But,
Yeah, so numbers came out good on the dollar here, so that should push gold down for now. Let's see how PMI now comes out, because they like to throw it for a loop here, and you may get red numbers, right? So we just want to sit tight here. Probably not going to wait for this, right? If there's a trade opportunity available, I'm gonna take it before PMI, but yeah, we'll see what happens. We got a bunch of news here. It's really most of the news is after 9:45. Yeah, more news comes
PUBG
out.
gamer?
So we're done with ADP, right? That was 8:15 news. Now the next red folder is PMI here, so that's going to be at 9:45. So you got 9:45, then you got a bunch of news here at 10, and then 10:30 brings in crude oil inventories, and then FOMC press conference is going to be later at 2 p.m., which we would normally live stream for, but today I'm super busy, so I'm not going to be able to pull that one off. But hey, you never know. Maybe John will live stream for that. I don't know. Nah, we got some stuff
Never
to do
know.
today. We're a little busy, and yeah, so we can't do it today. Usually we have 2 live streams, but can't do it today. I'm busy.
Man's busy. It's all good, bro. You know, gotta do what you gotta do.
Can I play Alter? I think we played Alter on the intro today.
Alter's a vibe.
Yeah, what you got going on this month, John? What's the intentions? What's the goal? What's your
Damn, the
what
intention.
are you working on most this month?
You know, just multiplying my capital, just compounding it and executing on my edge. If I could just execute on the edge every time it shows up, then we can compound, and consistency compounds. And then if I can compound, then my money will multiply itself. So that's what I'm focused on. So pretty much just execute on the edge and showing up every freaking day.
Dope. What are you guys working on, chat?
What about
What's
you,
your
bro?
focus here on in the month of May? For me, last month was a lot of execution. Last month was just simply execute. Now this month we're gonna execute and look to hold trades a little bit longer when price is calling for it. All right, hold on to trades a little bit longer, not just because, but because there's a technical reason for it. So that's one of my biggest focuses this month is to let trades hit targets that I've logically planned out from before the trade, you know. So that's mine. And I'm probably gonna size up this month as well. Yeah, I'll probably size up a little bit this month, and
Same here.
yeah.
Yeah, same here. Gonna increase my size as well. Sounds good though. You know, traders, we should know, right? Like what we're trying to work on, especially if we're in the beginner process, you know, even experience, right? There's still things you want to work on, and you want to evaluate your trades from the prior week, you know, and see, all right, what can I do better now? Right? And it's like putting together a puzzle, you know, and making yourself become better and giving yourself new skills to develop and new traits.
Focus on eliminating fake dopamine. That's good. That's real good. Yeah, so we closed back in the range here, so you may get a push down towards like 22.90 now. 30 minute hasn't broken the lows just yet, but this ain't too bad. We would expect the 4 hour to pull back here a little bit to leave a wick. If we're bullish overall in the day and we actually want to move up, then you would expect candle to kind of pull back to leave a wick there. So that's a possibility as well. But let's see. You got to break the 30 lows there in order to say that. Morning routine, W. You should read on the 5 a.m. club.
That'll change your life.
5 a.m. club's a good one. Oh, Stevie Mac, that was you? Hey, thanks for fixing the mistake, bro. I'm like, nah. TK sent me a picture. He's like, the review was amazing. I think he hit it by accident. Like, yeah, I think so. Appreciate you, man. Thanks a lot. You didn't have to do that, but going back in and taking some extra effort I thank you for that, my friend. You the man. You the man, Stevie Mac. Yeah, I really like 30-minute closures above 99 here. You got a nice clean range above there. Hoping that we can get that more so on the next 4-hour candle though. That's also going to break the previous 4-hour candle highs as well. So if we can kind of just like stop here in this range and then do something, we still need a bottom wick on the new 4-hour, right? So get some sort of a closure like that, create that bottom wick, and then begin to move up. I think this is going to be a great opportunity for buys.
Yo, Chad, I'm loving what everyone's working on. Those are all great stuff.
Hell yeah. Who else? What else are you guys working on? Maybe at the end of the month I want to start involving the TT traders, like especially the standout traders. I want to start recognizing you guys a little bit, bringing you up on Zoom, and maybe hearing about what you did, right? Hey, I had a goal to work on this, and blah 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 blah, and this is what happened. And in the beginning it was rough, and I was doing this and I was falling, but I kept getting back up, and finally it started to make sense mid-month, and then I got cruising. Like, I want to hear that. I want to hear your story a little bit, and I think chat needs to see from some other people as well, right, outside of just me. So I think it would be cool. Like once a month, get 2 or 3 of you guys up here and chop it up a little bit.
Oh yeah, sounds good.
We want to hear your struggle too, right? We don't we don't want to hear, well, I just got into trading, and I was only in it for 3.5 days, and man, I'm already profitable. Like, no one wants to hear that story, right? People are going to be in the crowd throwing up. Hi, my name's Ralph, and I've been an electrician my whole life and never even was good at math, and got in this thing, and Nick told me to buy at the breakout and sell on the onion, and that's what I did, and I'm a funded trader now. Hoo-hoo. You're like, screw this guy.
Yeah, you're like, I'm quitting.
You know what I mean?
Nah, facts, bro. Yeah, I think that'd be a great idea. Have traders come up here and stuff and just share their story and their process.
Ditto. We want to shine the light on some of you guys.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we should do it like once a month.
Yeah, facts. We need to learn to love the process, right? We need to learn. You hear the saying, trust the process. We need to love the process. Love the good, love the bad that come with it, right? Because the process is meant to get us to our goal. It's too many people in the process, because of temporary defeat, just want to quit and stuff like that, and the bad thing, there's gonna be cons, there's gonna be bad negative things a part of the process, right? And that's just a part of the journey of you getting to success, right? There isn't success without failure. So I feel like in the process we need to be consistently positive, because there can be temporary defeat and a little bit of negativity, right? So the only way we're going to battle that is with a positive mindset, in the process. And got to remember that the process is going to get us to our goal, right? So we need to be able to handle the bad things that come with the process, that come with where we're trying to go to.
That's true. That's facts. Not if, but when.
Because whether you like it or not, temporary defeat is gonna come. It's gonna come, and the question is, can you get through it, right? Because the difference between successful people and unsuccessful people isn't, their ability to avoid problems, but their ability to handle them and to manage them and to solve them, right? Because that's all a problem is at the end of the day. It's just an unsolved opportunity. And if you really think about it, that's where most people fall off of the road to success, is when, temporary defeat gets in the way. So we got to know how to handle that when we're trying to be successful at something. I think that's key,
Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. Yeah, I think we'll do a fresh top-down analysis here as well. I'm just going to give this a few minutes and then we'll kind of break things down, see where we're at currently, and do a fresh top-down analysis. Goldie Whack. Yo, Perez. Hey, yo, Perez. My man Perez is smooth, man, in the Discord. I see you, bro. I see you, man. Don't sleep on Perez. That man got the Riz. He got the Riz, bro. I'm new here. Hey, welcome, Trade Logs. Yeah, we start at right around 7 a.m. Yep. You like how calm I am? Yeah, everyone remain calm. Just remain calm. When you don't know what to do, remain calm. Is my boy Roger still on? Let me check. Let me up.
Roger?
Yeah, Roger. Let's see. Yeah, he is. Let's see what he's got to say.
Chill with the family. That's what I got to do.
Oh, he's
How's your book coming? My book is the same one line I showed you guys the other day.
He's doing nothing. He's doing nothing. All right, give me 1 sec. I will be right back.
Go do them push-ups, boy. Let's get it. Yo, let's get Wags. What's up, Buzzblab? What's up, Louis G? Let's get boys. Chad, how's everyone's trading day going so far? Anyone take any trades on London or Asian or pre-NY? Let me know. I got no trades for me so far. What's up, TK? What's good, brother? What's good, Purpose? Very slow day so far, just chilling. Yeah, we got FOMC later too. You know, we could hold up for that. So see what happens. Thankful to be here. Haven't took any trades. Nice. Yeah, man. I'm thankful to be here as well. Yeah, and this is all we can do, right? If there's no trade, we can't force it to trade. We just gotta wait, right? We gotta wait for our trade, right? Our playbook trade. The setup that repeats itself over and over again. That's what I'm waiting on. What up, Alariza? Currently in a GU buy. Nice. Let's go on, boy. Yo, what up, Sandman? What's up, Coach Carter? Reaching all those challenges in the beginning really taught me how to manage my own capital. Let's freaking go. W. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying, man. We got to get through the negatives got to come, right? The negatives are going to teach us how to get the positives, right, in a way. So, dude, W. Yeah, if it wasn't for, you know, certain losses that I've taken in the markets, then I wouldn't have these lessons that I have now that I'll have with me for the rest of my life, right? That I can avoid now and that I know through experience and through, you know, losses. So there is no success without failure. So I'm super grateful for those losses. W, Sandman.
W Sandman, yeah, me too. I'm really enjoying trading my own capital, and the losses and the breached accounts and the rules created by the prop firms, they could work for you if you have the right perspective. You know, teach you that rule-based idea of trading.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, Sandman. Fact. Same here though. Like some about live capital, you know, it's just different. I don't know. It's just better in my opinion.
Yeah. Rapid fire. What do we got? 17 minutes for the 4-hour close. I think we'll be waiting on that here. Seems like price is consolidating. So if you guys want to do a rapid fire Q&A for me or John,
Hey,
let us know.
We never
rapid
did that.
fire. Anything you guys want.
Let's run it.
How you feeling? Fantastic, Ali Reza. How you doing?
What's up, Shane?
Shane in the building. It's good, Shane. How you doing?
How you doing?
What's up, Auntie Up? Wishing you the best as well, man. My friend.
How you doing?
Yeah. When the Lambo? When the time is right. There's other more important things right now.
When it comes to me.
It's gonna come to me. Everything I want, desire, I don't have to go get it. It literally comes straight to me. So once it comes straight to me, I'll get it. Yeah, right now.
Trading account, not bad. Hey, an account's an account.
Yeah, it's good. $100 is good.
I'm sorry, I think I cut you off.
Nah, it's all good. I forgot what I was saying. Let me think of the
Now
worst
the Lambos
question
will come naturally.
Yeah. What did I do with my first funded account payout? I don't even remember. What did I do? I feel like I took some of it and did something. What was it?
Definitely, I don't know.
I forget. You got me thinking.
Yo, that was so long ago. You gotta like really think about it.
What kind of book are you currently reading? I'm always reading either a personal growth and development book, a sales book, a leadership book, or like some sort of a like trading book. Yeah. Yeah, I usually stick with those categories. How'd you feel when you reached your dream? I felt fantastic. There was a you know, I'm still dreaming obviously, right? But I did reach a level of my dream, which was just to be able to not have a job and have my wife not have a job. And to be honest, it was a feeling that it wasn't a physical feeling. It was a feeling in the spiritual realm, and it hasn't gone away. So it's been incredible, man. Like, you know, like that feeling. Some of you guys are in that point right now where you're like literally just hustling to get by, you know, and that was me for many years. And you live with that feeling of like, I just need a fresher breath of air, you know what I mean? Like I just need a break. And yeah, man, when that happened, there was a spiritual feeling that came and never left. So it's been a blessing. It really has been.
Nah, honestly, dude, like when you get to a certain level of like quote unquote success, like people think like, oh, everything's good, you know, which it is. But now you have a certain level of accountability and responsibility that you now need to perform. You know, you now need to show up and be accountable for yourself, for your mistakes. You know, you need to maintain the success that you've gained, right? It's one thing to gain it, but it's another to keep it. So that's why you just got to enjoy where you are right now, because no matter where you are, right, in your life, you're going to always want more, or you're going to always need to work on something. So the work will never stop. You just got to keep up.
Yeah. Yeah, my mentor would always say, peak to peak, man, peak to peak. You accomplish one goal, or you get to one peak, and then the next peak is waiting for you. So you kind of got to like, life is in a way where like you go from goal to goal to goal. That's really what he meant, is that you set a goal, you work towards it, you accomplish it, you celebrate it quickly, and then you set the next goal, and you just repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. And I hope that when I'm like 105, 110, and I'm getting ready to leave this earth, that there will be a goal on my card that I was after, You know what I mean? So I want to continue to set goals forever. Life was boring without goals. Life was, in a way, meaningless without goals. So once you start setting goals, you have something to wake up to and look forward to on a day-to-day basis, which is getting closer, you know, chipping away day in and day out. And that should drive you and inspire you and, you know, get you going every day.
Facts, bro. Facts, that's inspiring.
Yeah. Did I ever feel like it wouldn't happen? Never. Never. I always knew it was going to happen. Always knew.
That's the thing, you know, our perception is our reality, right? So you got to have the grit in you. Like, failure is not an option. It's just not, right? Success is the only option. Like we always say, burn the boats, right? There's no option. There's no plan B. The only option is to make plan A work, right? And that's to be whatever it is you desire to be and to make it work, right? And even if you spend the rest of your life doing that, hey, bro, right? At least you died trying, right? At least you never gave up on your goal and your dream, right? And if you never give up, you'll get it eventually, right? A quitter never wins and a winner never quits. So just never quit and burn the boats.
Yeah, was it hard though? Did I need faith? Absolutely, I needed faith, right? I wouldn't have been able to do it without faith, but faith in a way is, right, believing in what's not yet here. So yeah, no faith, no vision, the people perish, not because they can't make it, but because they have no desire to, right? There's nothing that they can see with that vision that they're after. So gotta have the vision, gotta have the faith, gotta got the work. Yeah, go look up is it a poem? It might be a poem, or it's called The Man in the Arena. Just Google the Man in the Arena. I like that one. I read that one for a long time. All right, 4 hour not budging here, not slowing down. Trying to come back up here to break the highs. Profit and loss for 100 account? Huh? I would risk like $1 to make 2. Let's go.
Depends, bro. Depends what your risk appetite is.
I could tell you, just risk what you're comfortable risking. Someone like me probably risk the whole 100. Someone like you, maybe you only want to risk 50 or 40 or 30 or 20 or 10. So you got to do what's you're most comfortable with. What's up, 1 pip Mark? 1 pip Mark in that. Hey, you see I was extra early today. The guitar is over with already. And it's not even 9 a.m.
You're too excited for the new month.
Just a matter of when, baby. Yep. That's true.
Yes, sir. Just patiently waiting for my fruits of labor. That's it. Waiting on my moment.
Harvest time, ladies and gents. It's harvest time. If you've been putting in the work for the last couple months, it's time to reap the rewards.
You already know.
Today I booked 70 pips in London. Nice job, man. Nice. Hey, not all thanks to me. I mean, I gave you maybe a little bit of a roadmap, but you had to follow it, brother. So kudos to you. 70 pips. Let's go. Taking a peek at the peak. Yup. Taking a PEEK at the PEAK.
I like that.
Gym's good. Gym is a daily thing for me. Wow, W Cyber Tech Traders. Let's go.
Let's go. Nice. Yeah, let's go, Sandman. W.
Yeah, we got more selfies, yo. More Hey, Richard Lewis. I see you in the selfie channel.
Richard Lewis post a selfie.
Carlton, let's go. W. If you guys got selfies, post them in the selfie channel here on the Discord.
See that lovely face.
Let's see that lovely face. All right.
That gorgeous face.
Gorgeous. Where's Uncle Scalp at? Gorgeous.
Alright, bro. Need to hear that guy's laugh again.
One time from Uncle Scalp here today. Yeah.
He had one of the funniest laughs, too.
He did. Oh, nice. Look at that. Me and Raja had the same markups, eh?
Beautiful.
Time to eat markup. Roger Banks markup. W.
Roger. Let's go. That's what you like to see.
News time. Oh, what are you guys doing here in New York session?
Those years of work, of studying,
News time.
paid off.
Yep. Yeah, this was the buy I was talking about. That was a nice one too, right there. Yeah, I don't think I would have taken a buy here. I think it would have been right here. Yeah. Good job though. All right, what we doing? What we doing? 4-hour closure coming up in 4 minutes here. All right, so let's do the rundown here real quick. So, I mean, first day of the month here, right? So daily's still bearish, but we know that we closed with that no bottom wick. We may have a daily fake out right here because we just keep breaking the daily high. You guys notice that? It was here and then it became here and now we just keep breaking that high, right? So looking at the 4-hour, it's understandable. You have this massive bullish candle here on the 4-hour time frame. Now, if we look left, there's a couple areas in which we're coming up to. 2302.777 being one of them. So this is kind of an area where last time we pumped up and we began to come down, right? This is also a level of support here on this side, and then I think that's about it. Yeah, so that's kind of an area in which we would like to see how price reacts. I think that's also a decent target to run to, which is like almost a 50 pip move. Looking at the 1-hour though, 1-hour has level of resistance here, right? So 30-minute, we have to adjust it. You've got this area right there, and that's kind of like where we're approaching right now. So where is our nearest support, right? We know that that's a fresh resistance. Where can we find support? Because there's really not much support here, right? Outside of like these small little one pip, like really weak bearish candles there. So that's where it gets a little bit tough, where there's no straight support there. The 15 minutes a bit choppy coming down, But I would say all in all, right, we should expect the bottom wick on the next candle, or if the 1 hour closes up here with no top wick, then you may see a fall here, right? So you may see price begin to move down. So I think it's very important to see how we do here, and if not, then we're gonna pay attention to that next support to the left, because it's about a 45 pip range coming down. So that's what I'm gonna look towards here. You may want to put it right there, and then yeah, if you can get a closure back below there, I think it's good to go. Daily candle might want to push down now, and 4 hour may want to reject and move bearish here. But other than that, the buys are looking good above 22.99 here. Sells are a little sketchy. It's hard to play the sells, just being that the price action here, what's being given to us. So yeah, so don't want to rush the sells too much, but that's your nearest support, resistance, and that's the range that we're chopping around in. Yeah, nice 30 closure above though should bring us up, and we should get a pop towards 23.08. Yeah, pretty much same exact markups. Nothing's really happened much in the last 2 hours or so. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, there's nothing really to do. I'm just going to chop around in this range a little bit. I think 9:15-ish we may have a play. 9:15. We just got to see how this 4 hour candle closes in 40 seconds here. 40 seconds. That blossoms with the garden. Hey. W. Oh, yeah. W. 1 pip Mark is back. What's up, 1 pip Mark? How you feeling? Where's Andrew at? Andrew here?
Let's go 1 pip Mark.
All right. So we got a 4 hour close. Close very strong bullish. Very strong bullish, right? We've got very little to no bottom wick on it. We're stuck in this 30-minute range currently. So I think we just got to sit tight. 15-minute, let this 15-minute candle do what it needs to do, and then we may have a position here. You speak like Raja? Hey. Sammy Pips. It's good. Where's G Sammy? Sammy G. I forget what it is. Sammy G or G Sammy? Anyways, what's up, Sammy Pips? How you do?
How you doing?
Would I consider an onion here as a sell? Possibly, right? Banking on this bottom wick here to come down and probably come into these ranges like 22.91 here, because here's the thing now, right? This bottom wick here, like we could push all the way down, right? Respect that low right there, come back up, flip bullish, and drive, right? Something like this. So that's what makes sells a little bit differently, because if we're bullish, we're potentially anticipating buys, right? So throughout this whole move down, you know, if you don't have something super lining up like perfectly, it's tough to take that sell because price can pull back from or begin to push up at any point. So we really need that confirmation. But yeah, if we do get an onion, then there may be something, but we'll see. We shall see. Been boring though. Been a boring session.
X. Yesterday was pretty boring too.
Last day of the month, first day of the month. Yeah. You got FOMC today, so
It makes sense, honestly.
Fed coming in today, man. We'll see what they've got to say. Mr. Jerome Powell, Papa Powell pulling up.
Good morning, Andrew. What's up, brother?
Andrew is here. Let's go. War Room this the Bible study this weekend. Sunday's my birthday. I think we're gonna be out. I probably should just cancel the plans, right? And just preach. I don't think there would be anything better to do on my birthday. But I think we have plans for dinner and stuff on Sunday, so I'll let you guys know tomorrow. Fed's at 2.
Yeah, we hitting up the course, bro.
Yeah, well, that's during the morning. So we're golfing during the morning. You know what I mean. We're golfers now, chat. We're golfers.
Hell yeah.
Call someone up on Zoom. Who wants to come up? Who wants to come on Zoom?
Labonis. Yo, chat, make sure you send Nick a birthday cake Sunday.
TK, should we give him the business address? The post, the people at the spot will be like, "Yo, who is this guy?" He's sending me crumble. Why is all this crumble cookie coming here?
Nah, chill. Don't send us too much crumble cookie. You could hurt us.
Yeah, don't send us any crumble cookie, man. That's not what a good friend does. Yeah, it is public. You guys can look it up and find it. Let's look up time to eat trading.
That purpose.
All right, so clean buys above $22.99 if we can get that here. We've already pushed up quite a bit. I would really like to see some type of support, right? So this is the ideal position for me. Moving into 9, I would say really like 9:15, 9:30, is you get this support formed and then you get a breakout, right? So you got an onion here, new support. You got a candle that breaks out. You've got clean traffic to the left hand side over here for price to move up, and that's kind of the range I want to trade, looking to target that resistance and then potentially, you know, these wicks up here. Sells are a bit sketchy, but I am still open to taking sells, probably with a closure below 22.94. They're a bit sketch though. Or 22.93. 22.94 maybe where you get a fake out, right? So I'm gonna move it down because I don't want to get faked out on the bullish bias here, right? Because if you come down and close below, this could be where the fake out happens right here, and now you close back in the range, and we could take buys, right? Because if the 4-hour closed bullish like it did, looking like this, you know, I would expect this candle, this new candle, to make a bottom wick. So as this candle makes a bottom wick, there could be a fake out right here. So see this fake out? So you don't want to sell right here, because what you can ultimately be doing is selling right here on the bottom wick on this new 4-hour for price to juice up. Right, and that's where a lot of you guys will get caught up in a fake out, and that's the reason for it, because although you got a closure below, you were going against a higher time frame bias, right? So that's kind of what can happen. So I still am open to take sells, just not below 94. I think we got to move it a little bit.
Yeah, because the daily also closed with a little bottom wick too, and the 4 hour closed strong bullish, and we got clean candles still left on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
You know, keeping that all in mind.
You guys understand that, right? Back in the day, we used to have, hey, buys above here, sells below here, perfect, everything's all good, and there would be some times where we would take a sell, right? You got your closure. We would go ahead and say, okay, we got a breakout, let's take sells, and as we did, price would tap us in and pull back, right? And not only would it pull back, but it would pull back and close back above the range, right? And ultimately, if our stops were sitting here, price came up, tapped us out, and what happened was we got caught up in a fake out, right? So this is the fake out, and this is what it will look like on the 15 or 30-minute time frame. And then if you go ahead and look at the 4 hour time frame, a lot of times you were just selling right here, right? Because the higher time frame wanted to go up. So that's where we came up and, you know, worked on, and this is all with Don and everything, where we began to identify range 1, range 2 breakouts and saving ourselves from getting faked out most of the time. And if it drove, what we would say too is, hey, if this candle drives, we need a range 2 fake out. So we would say, all right, if this candle drives, it drives. It's whatever, right? It's fine. But then I started questioning, well, why does it drive sometimes and why does it not? And then that's where we began to look into this new 4 hour concept that we've had our eyes on, and that kind of determines whether or not we should be waiting for a range 1, range 2, or if we're pretty clean on both sides. And the way we determine that is if the 4 hour is bullish and the daily's candle's still bearish, that's where we can kind of say, hey, we'll take the range 1, range 2 off, because typically that was the time that it would drive. Is although we were bullish on the, let's say we were in that situation, let's say we were bullish on the daily, but the 4 hour was bearish, those are the times where we'd be like, hey, if it drives, it drives, it's not our move, and it would drive. So that's where we began to look into that and, you know, kind of work that idea out. So we're going to dial this system in. This is a great system. It's produced great results for us, but we never settle. You know what I mean? So we want to see, how can we always do things better? Sometimes you can't do things better. Sometimes they're working just as good as they can, but then sometimes there are opportunities to do something better and adjust, and that's what we're all about.
Sure.
Questioning why, right? The big question, why. Some of you guys got kids, right? How many times you hear the question why? It's the greatest question in the world. Literally, why? It's a one-word question.
Facts. Not facts, dude.
One-word question, but leads to so many answers.
Sir.
Got these kids, man. Why?
Yeah, I saw something that kids ask like over 200 questions a day.
More probably. Like that. Because I said, it reminds me of my mom. Because I said so. That's why. Yeah. Ideally, the best thing we can probably see here is this candle push down, close above support here, print a bullish candle, and then begin to move back up. And now we can say, okay, this right here is our 4 hour bottom wick. So if the 4 hour bottom wick is in place, right, and you're getting a closure above the zone, then that probably means that this clean traffic territory is going to be ours for the taking, right? So that's where we say, okay, we got the bottom wick, we've got a new support, we've got a closure above, and our buys are here on this candle. It's like that. So this is our confirmation candle here, and this is our trading candle.
Sure. Yeah, and it becomes way more simple when you know how to read candles, right? That's all we're doing, right? Just reading candles. Candles are candles, you know. And I would break down the daily time frame the same as I would the 30-minute time frame, right? Because all we're doing is trading price action, which is candlesticks, right? And candles are candles. So when you when you remember why we're analyzing the higher time frames, to why are we analyzing the higher time frames, right? To just get a read on what price is gonna do. All right. So when you can match your charts to what you think price could do, that's when it becomes more simple and a little bit more smooth.
Smooth. Yeah, how big is this range? Yeah, that 93 level too is also the 1 hour. There's a strong support here on the 1 hour, so ideally it would be nice to get below there.
Faraz, what am I doing after stream? That's funny. I'm probably just gonna chill. Probably go for a walk. Maybe go to the pool. Go for a ride. Just chill. What are you doing, bro?
What are you doing, Perez? What are you doing after the stream?
Yeah, bro. Talk to me.
What do you guys normally do after the stream?
Max, I'm curious.
I remember after Don stream, I would just take the playbook and throw it out the window and just execute until I either made a ton of money or my account has been blown.
Just take all those teachings and just throw them out the window.
All right, stream's over. The hell with that. Time to trade. Enough with that patience, discipline stuff. Let's go. Crack my knuckles. Stretch out a little bit. Here we go. It's either we're getting rich or going to work at McDonald's.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, Perez. The Riz King out here, man. Whoa.
Hey, damn.
How many guys are like me? How I used to be. Get off the stream. Time to trade. Oh, nice. Normally go. Yeah, some of you guys, it's nighttime for you guys. Isn't that crazy? It's 9:15 a.m. here. Oh,
pretty nuts. You don't leave the charts, Chala? It's funny.
Chala's here till power hour. The stock market boys are going crazy.
Damn, dude. You had a long day.
What led you to start the stream? I've always had a desire to impact people. I've been doing this for a very long time, working with people and, really trying to bring out the best in people. So I was in a pretty deep study through the book of Acts. It was like a 2.5 month study. And, I had one question at the end of it was like, how can I impact people? How could I share the gospel around the world like these guys have done? And the Lord, and at that time I was big into trading. I was showing up every day on Don stream and Raja, and the Lord was like, I'm gonna use you in the trading industry. And I'm like, nah, yeah, you're gonna start a live stream and I'm gonna fulfill my promises to you about impacting people and the plan I have over your life through that stream. And it's pretty crazy, you know what I mean? It's no surprise that we started this like 14 months ago, and we got 35,000 subscribers here. We did Bible studies all last year. We've had tons of people gain salvation. It's been a true work, miracle work of something that I can't do. Like, y'all know I can't pull this off by myself, right? Like, this is clearly the plan that God had, and I just follow the plan. Yeah, we've had hundreds of people get saved. We've had thousands of people impacted, not only in their trading, but in their day-to-day lives. I mean, I would talk to guys, you know, early on, and the Lord always confirms his work. You know what I mean? So like almost every elite that comes into the elite program tells me, you know, I was debating between you and this guy, and, you know, I don't know, man. They always say, I don't know what it was. I can't put my finger on it. You know, I just felt it. It just felt right in my heart. You know what I mean? And that's always the Lord just winking back at me and saying, well done, my friend. Well done. Keep going. So, yeah. And then we've heard lots of stories, chat. Lots of stories. Just, I remember one that really impacted me pretty deeply was this one guy I was working with. He's like, look, you know, not only am I a better trader, dude, but I want to just thank you because, you know, my wife and I have been going through it, and the other night we slept in the same bed together for the first time in 4 months or whatever it was, and we held each other's hand, and you know, that's more deeper than you guys getting a couple bucks on this live stream here, you know. But to really see you guys just changing your life is the big reason that I'm here. Sure, we take good trades, we're great traders, we make money doing that, but it's the journey, you know, that I love the most.
Definitely.
Have I studied the Quran? Yeah, but I don't think you want me to go through all that on the live stream. I think that's going to be more of a one-on-one type of conversation. I just don't want you, or I don't want to take anything you say wrong, and you know, I don't want you to take anything I say wrong. But yeah, we can have a discussion about that. All right, let's see here. So we got that candle to close bearish. It's 9:15, right? So this is the plan, is that at this 15 closure, if we can close above the range here, then 9:30 should take us to the promised land, which is probably about 2306, 2308, somewhere there. We've got a 4-hour bottom wick now, so that could potentially be in place. So we're just waiting, right? We drew things out, and now we're waiting. Hey, W, Anthony. Let's go. W,
Anthony.
coming back up now. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's ride with it.
Yeah, you see those, yeah, we pushed up here. We got more news coming. That's the only thing, but we'll see what happens here in 9 minutes at this closure. Yeah, and you probably had a lot of people take sells off the jump there, expecting like this 4-hour candle to probably push down there. So a lot of people are looking at this downtrend here and then expecting price to keep driving. A few more minutes. Oh damn, OGH. You're an OG. W. Where are you holding from? London boys printed on these buys, man. W. Holy AB Mike, word. Hey, no one wants to come on Zoom, I guess. Yeah, I tried to see AB Mike, but doesn't look like anyone wants to pull up. They're shy today. It's Wednesday, hump day. All right, let's see. So we drew this out. Let's see if we can actually get it to officially pan out. Imagine sitting here all day without any community or like activity. Yeah, 1 hour has been on a run here, man. Just not one bearish candle here. All right, 4 hours starting to break the high here. So we'll see if we can get a closure above on the 15, and then there may be an opportunity here for me. That was me. I just found the stream tonight. Oh, nice. Enjoying it? Oh, cool. Hey, if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you guys don't take a trade here today, don't worry about it. You have big news coming in later. You also have this. Today's the first day of the month, right? Yesterday was the last day of the month. So if you haven't gotten a trade yesterday or today, it's not a big deal. No biggie. FOMC days always fishy? Yeah. Always fishy when you're fishing for some fish. Is Roger still on? Let's take a look. Nah, no Roger. No more Roger.
News at 9:45 too, right? We know what the numbers are coming out.
We got news at 9:45. Yep. Yep. Took 2 L's yesterday. No biggie. No biggie. On NAS. Is what it is. I like your patience. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, honestly, there hasn't been one trade for me yet. There hasn't been one trade where I feel like the manager of the firm would come over to me and be like, "Why aren't you in this?" Based off of the system, based off of the closure above that I'm looking for. Never got that. Sells haven't been really a play at all here today. So according to my system, there hasn't been a trade yet. You know, there's other systems, and some of you guys use other systems, and I'm sure there was something, right? Some sort of a trade, but according to my plan, nothing. Nothing.
Nothing.
Hope you're going crazy on buys. Nope, nothing. Maybe if I would have been in buys from, let's say, 5 a.m. today, that would have been my only opportunity, and then maybe this buy here, where you had a closure above, then I would have been in buys. But yeah, I was not at the desk at that time. I wasn't there. Is there brokers with no spread? Yeah, this future. What's our spread right now, John?
0.
0. There you go.
0.1. That's nothing.
Yeah, the 1 hour is a little overextended too, man. A lot of 1 hour bullish candles here.
Yeah. I'm more like cautious about news too.
Yeah, no, I use a futures broker, so that's why it's a little bit better.
Our commissions are good too. With the
they're not bad at
trade
all.
over. Yep. Yeah, commissions are great.
Hey, yo, Green. How you doing today?
Green check.
What are you doing after the stream today?
What's up, Green? I know you're here.
Eating breakfast or lunch at that? Is that lunch for you at that point?
Second lunch.
Time to eat. Time to eat. Don't nick me.
Greenery. Yeah, brother.
Yo, Green. So, John, what you got going on today?
You know me, bro. You know what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Vibing. Chilling.
It's time to eat, Green. Time to eat. Oh, big Celtics game tonight, Green. Forgot about that. Yo. What's the vibe for the Celtics game tonight, Joe?
The vibe.
Celtics by 50. Hey, you guys know Joe is a betting man. Joe dominates in sports betting. Dominates. You won't find another sports bettor like Joe. All right. Need a bottom wick here. If you can get a bottom wick, I might have a buy stop here. Celtics by 50, huh, Joe? Sheesh. Yeah, if we can come down and make a bottom wick here, I'm gonna have a buy stop here. I'm most likely gonna use current candle stops as well. Oh, we got a lot of Boston fans here, eh?
Boston.
Boston. It's Boston. Gotta trade. Are you a Boston Celtics fan?
Shout out, Gotta Trade. What's good, Gotta Trade?
Gotta trade. Oh, Lele's up too, chat. We may have a lot of volume coming in. Oh, so you're a Boston fan, but are you a Yankee fan too? I think I seen your son rocking a Yankee hat. Knicks with an epic choke last night. Oh, they couldn't get the sweep, huh? They couldn't bring out the brooms.
Yeah, I seen that. They choked. Big choke.
I haven't watched a basketball game in about 4 seasons. Maybe 5. Yeah, we got news coming up too here in like 10 minutes. But we need a bottom wick if I'm gonna take a buy, I need a bottom wick there. Where my Celtics fan at? Hey, yo, Green. Wow, got a trade. That must be tough living over there.
Damn.
Yankee fan, huh?
Yankee fan living in Boston. I like that.
You gotta be like careful rocking like a New York Yankee hat in Boston.
heard. They don't play. Nah, Boston sports and New York sports are all doing great. Try wearing a Red Sox hat in the Bronx too. Might just juice without us.
Yankees trash. Remember, there's no more Garcia Barra. Yeah, it doesn't look like we want to make a bottom wick yet.
Bro, Sandman, that was the game for the Knicks. I don't know. I don't know if they're going to win now.
You guys are funny. You guys be like, no, ma. No, ma. Get in the car. We're going to the game. Yeah, I love Boston accents, man. Get in the car.
Accents are the best.
Somalia in the house. You guys, Somalia, man, that's a long way from a Boston accent right there.
I love how we can all speak the same language, but with a different style, you know, with a different accent. It's fire.
How many of you guys took a buy here? Are you guys in buys off this candle?
Nah, I'm not.
Nothing? Nothing?
For me.
Yeah, I like everyone from the UK. I like how you guys talk. A lot of the guys that come in, and girls too, that come into the elite program are from like London. So, them my London boys. Yeah, you guys got me talking like that too. Green. Oh, would you look at that? There it is.
Wish we didn't have news.
I like printing. Shout out to the UK. Alright, let's see what the 4 hours doing here. 4 hours struggling a bit here at 9:30.
News maybe holding us back here. Maybe pushing the volume back. Resisting it.
It's resisting it.
Yes, sir, you know.
What else could be holding things up? What's this?
Let's see, maybe.
This area right here might be holding us up. The people in Liverpool? Oh. Don't tell me I sound like that. Nah, Lewis, you don't sound like that. You don't sound like that. New York accent. How you doing? Let me get my coffee. My coffee.
Well, let me get that bagel.
Let me get the bagel. The bagel. Bagel.
Bagel.
Yo, New
bagel,
Yorkers
what?
are the greatest. Staten Island people are the fun. I think they're the funniest ever. They have the funniest accent, man.
You want a what?
But yeah, they go over to see Mario down there on 23rd Street, huh? Huh? They always hit you with the huh? Huh? It's like, what? You don't have to say
Yeah,
eh
it's
after
different.
everything. What do you mean Mario sent you over here, huh? That's what I mean, Tony. That's what I mean.
Like our Italian grandfather. His accent was crazy.
He'd be like, let me tell you something. You go back through that. They go true. You go back through that tunnel. You go tell Mario I said.
True or through? Like what?
Like, you want me to go true it or through it? Like, what's the deal, bro? Like, true or false, or what do you mean? Oh, the buy's about to pick back up here.
I don't know, man. What do we got to do? Is 5 minutes?
We got news in 5. I may be
Chilling.
down to, if you close above, throw a smaller contract size on this and see if we can let it rip.
Yeah, New York's different.
Joey bag of donuts. New Yorkers like to curse. They curse a lot. They throw curses around like it's nothing.
Like it's normal. Shout out, Dad.
The top one lower their leverage? No, I don't think so. The one step challenge is a little bit lower in terms of leverage than the 2 steps. So I'm not too sure which one you're on.
New Yorkers are kind but not nice. Definitely not nice.
That's
sports.
actually kind of true, man.
Facts.
They're like, let me do you a favor. Let me do you a favor. How about you go over there and yeah. It's like, are you doing me a favor or are you insulting me right now?
Yeah, right? Are you yelling at me or doing me a favor?
Yo, that's my exit plan, Sam, man. I gotta do voiceovers, man. How you doing?
Yeah, bro, quit trading. Go pursue that, bro.
Go to New York, they're like,
How you doing?
how you doing? Same with Jersey. Word. Yeah, Jersey's just like New York.
But not nice.
I may be due for a little gamble here at news. We'll see. Lele is up too, so there should be volume. Should get volume coming in. Do professionals gamble?
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Gambling.
Depends if they're a professional gambler.
Depends. You got the bread to lose.
Professional gamblers are professionals who gamble. All right, here it comes. All right, what do we do before FOMC here? Risk your whole account? Damn, Joe. Holy.
Well, margin it.
You're bringing the gambler out in me, man. What are you doing? Ooh, doesn't look like we're going to be able to gamble here, though. Because we're deaf. We can't do it with no top wick.
Yo, juices or bleeders here, y'all. Looks good. Let's go with it.
$25 seconds for PMI here. Juice.
Looks like it's gonna juice, maybe. I don't know. Who knows?
Juice box. All right, here comes the news. And did the candle close? Yeah. Candle closed here. We closed bullish. See if we can get a bottom wick here, and maybe, just maybe, I'll have a buy stop.
Wasn't that crazy?
Nothing on PMI. Damn.
Yep, 10 a.m. news. Yep. Yeah, I didn't do anything.
Wow. Markets are dead here. Just consistently moving up. Yeah, chat, that might do it for me. Might call it a day here.
Yeah, bird, bro. FOMC, 10 a.m. news.
Yeah. Yeah, chat, I think that's it. I think that's all for me today. I'll probably try and see what happens for FOMC. We can't stream though. I got a few things to do this afternoon, but we'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, I'll check in with you guys on the Discord. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for me here today. And no trades. First day of the month, so no big deal. Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow and see if we can get something in. That's it.
Yes. Awesome.
Folks. John, thanks for coming
Nick.
by.
Yes, sir. Thanks for having me, bro. I'll see you a little bit later.
All right, bro. Peace.
Yeah, have a great rest of your day. Let's go.
Peace. Chala's gonna stream. Chala. Yeah, maybe I'll come visit you guys. Yeah. Why you always leaving early? I don't know, man. I got, you know, I'm up here, you know, sitting up here for 3 hours, right? I hear my kids giggling and laughing and all that good stuff. So nothing much here for me. Might take buys in the break of the high. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to get off the desk for a few minutes and call it a day. yeah, I'll still trade if trades pop up, but we'll call it a stream. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll do the dang thing. All right, chat, love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Be easy. First day of the month. Don't do anything stupid. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. Wear your helmet, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Love y'all. Be great. Let's go after it. Peace. Later, chat. Love y'all.
Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fast. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we swinging a rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you short, even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them, this feel like the moment we seeking. The day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. Let's go. Walk, 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 walk. We walk.
When I wanna shake with a word, times and times every day in my heart. Got down, but I still be going in hard. Check destruction, stick on one side. Heaven is the goal, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, how the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die.
Saved my soul from getting defeated, saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. See, this life I'm living is blessed, and you know that the wages of sinning is death. But he put my spirit to rest, got the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest, so man, I won't let the enemy rest.